Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Hayi ke ndimamele le nto kwangizwe noJulius Malema le 60 million. Awuna lo Pokopane ungizwe uvela athethe nje into akhange ayicinge. And number 2 uvela athethe into without producing effects. Yabona le vele into ithatha kwesithubeni uyive nje uve kuthethwa nawe ugijime nalonto. Ingxaki nje kufaka kuyo. Yabona ngoku kukhona ngoku illegal action against yena ungizwe. And next thing uzambona ephaya ecourt ephinde ekhala xele ngelaxesha wayikhala ngento ka ziyakhala esecourt seyikhala ngo because nomlomo omkhulu, but then ke ngoxa sekufika ngokuba he must face the music akhale eqala. Yabona ke I just want to say a few things, mention a few things about Julius Malema, and lento ndifuna siyibambe. uJulius Malema waziqalela okanye mandithi EFF was the first organization ukuchallenge i-status quo eSouth Africa. Zifike iparlamente basically it was ibizenzela nje ANC, but kwathi kufika i-EFF we then saw iparlamente intoni, what should be done there. We saw executive being held to accountable. We saw abantu who were not afraid to challenge the status quo. And then at the center of London being Julius Malema. And then abantu babona ngoko many years later ba hey kanti xa ungumntu yakwazi ukuchallenge i-status quo. And then wonke umuntu ufuna ukufana noJulius Malema. And ngoku imistake yokuqala abayenzayo abantu. Uyabona awunochilla ngesidanga senye indoda. Yenza into yakho, be original. Yabona yonke imibutho ethe yaformishwa that is after EFF abekho original in their yabona in their making. EFF uqala yafika ngalanto yelento ye commander in chief. Bafike banxiba la lento zakuthiwa into lento ezimpahla zibomvu. Yabona bane style sabo nje. And then wonke umuntu ofikayo uzibiza nge-revolutionary. Wonke umuntu ofikayo naba ne-MK yafika ithi commander. Babehleli pha abantu. Why bengazineyabi into esaba style? Because bayayazi ba ekugqibeleni lento enza uJulius Malema was unique and into original. So ke masivele singabantu sincameni xa siyazi ba EFF is the future, whether we like it or not. Yabona, in the absence of having EFF as government of South Africa, we are faced amongst many other things a disaster of seeing abantu never being emancipated, that is economical. Because economic freedom iyona nto esifunayo more than anything. It is of no use for me to talk back to a white person ndingenzwa nto. Abe la white person endithi talk back kuye ndingenzwa nto. Abe ebambe yonke economy kuye. Abantu abamhlophe basayibambile le economy. Yabona njena sisilapha nje kule ndawo sibukele nje apha elizweni. We see these guys akho nto abangenayo in terms of ilentos imali. They've got houses, they've got properties, they've got everything you can think of, cars, you name them. Tina, on the other hand, what do we have? Sine slogans. Sinabantu ababaleka ezitratweni. abakhokhelwa ngongizwe nophakela umthakathi. And then uxa uyijongile lento, we are fighting. Yabona laa nto le nto enziwa ngongizwe nophakela umthakathi le, mandikwenzela umzekelo, ifana le nto uba ucaphukiswe inkosikazi apha endlini, uphume phandle udibane nekati phaa emnyango, ukhabe ikati. Yabona ikati ayikwenzanga nto, ayazi into futhi. So nathi we are doing that xa sithi sizolwa naba bantu as foreign nationals. These people have done nothing wrong. Umuntu efanba we take them to task is our government, and the government yethu elect GNU ndini. Masiye kula GNU, hold them accountable. See, address amongst many other things that therefore nationals with them, because there's no Julius Malema or Wenze Zabalabi for nationals. He's not in government. He has never been in government. And he's talking about what azoyenza yena xa seyingenile borhulumenteni. So now it's disingenuous ovele sifike sithi hayi i-problem ye-foreign nationals, it's because of Malema, because of EFF. Uvele uzibone nje uba ingqondo ineno ibeke emthunzini. Once ube uthethe along those lines, and most of people, 99.9% of people who don't like Julius Malema, la hate is sponsored. They were told to hate him. But uhleli phansi ubabuza ba into entabela bathetha izinto, I've yet to come across umuntu ozothetha into evakalayo nene substance. So ke ungizwe lo wenu ke i-favorite yenu, i-leader yenu, is going to face off in court with the Julius Malema. And ke we all know bangubani ke oyawuphuma kula court victorious. And we all know bangubani oyawuphuma kula court seyilile inyembezi as it did back after July unrest. Thank you for coming.
EFF supporter has decided to share his own perspective on Julius Malema and also Ngizwe Mchunu. And he was basically saying, Oguti, foreigners have done nothing wrong to you, and you as South Africans are supposed to go after the government, not foreigners. And truly speaking, this has been going on for the longest time now. This fight, this chaos, everything, you can just imagine everything because everything is on social media. It's a lot, man. It has been going on for the longest time now, and I feel like he has a point. He have a point, Shem, when he says South Africans have to go after their government, not foreigners, because most of these people that do march and march, and they will always tell you, which foreigners are taking our space, foreigners are taking our jobs, foreigners are taking our women. Those are the most excuses that we hear every day from South Africans. And for me, I feel like there's no way that someone can come. A foreigner will not come and remove you from your workplace. There's nothing like that. A foreigner will not come and just snatch your woman out of you, snatch your job out of your hands. Like, there's nothing like that. I feel like the government is the one that has failed us. Yes, the government has failed us in so many ways. And now, instead of facing the reality, we are now shifting the blame and pointing fingers at the wrong people. Trust me, even if these foreigners are to leave today, in fact, the situation might be even worse. Like, the situation might even get worse than ever. And no, chasing foreigners away, it will not going to solve anything. The problem is within South Africa, is the government, not the people.